Assalamualaikum students. I'm your maths teacher from IYS schools. Hope you all are good and safe at home. So today we again start our education by online teaching. Shall we start? But before starting the teaching, I will give you some instructions. Hopefully you all understand. Listen the instructions carefully. Number 1. Don't raise hand during lecture. Number 2. Ask questions at the end of the lesson. Number 3. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Number 4. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Number 5. Take care of time for attending the class. Number 6. Home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. Number 7. If there is any disconnectivity during the lesson, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Number 8. Don't turn on your video during lesson. And number 9, the last one is, if you have any question, then ask in chat box. Do you all hear my voice clearly? If you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. Okay, so yesterday we have started chapter number 2, that is addition, and we have done till exercise 2.2 page 17. Hope you all completed exercise 2.1 and 2.2 in your books. Okay, so now today's lesson I will teach lesson 6. Same chapter, chapter 2 addition. So today's topics are addition up to 4 to 5 digit numbers, and another one is solve the word problems. Yesterday we have studied addition up to 5 digit numbers, review of digits up to 1, 2, 3, and addition up to 5 digit numbers means till 10,000. So again today, but here is changing. Yesterday in 4 to 5 digit numbers addition, there is no changing required. Okay, no carry, no transfer of one place to another. But here you see the heading here that changing unit, tens, hundred and thousands. Yesterday when we do exercise 2.2, when we done exercise 2.2, there is question that there is no change in that questions, no carry and no shifting of numbers from here to there. But here changings are required of unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Here example number 1. Look carefully and listen the lecture with complete concentration. First of all, you have to write this in vertical form to add up this. So when you write 3000, this is a 4 digit addition, okay? All it up to 1000. 3746 and 4528. Okay? Starting from here, units 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay? So you write 4 here, and one of this 14 shifts at tens place. Okay, here you see shift one of this 4 means 14 shifts at tens place. Here changing required. In yesterday's exercise 2.2 there is no changing required. That's why all of the sum, all of the digits add up only to that place. But here changing is required. So this one of this 4 shifts at tens place. So when we add up this 4 plus this one is 5 and plus 2 7. 5 plus 2 7. So here 7, no change in here in tens. Now come to next 100. 7 plus 5 12. So 2 here and one of this 12 shifts at thousands place. So here also changing required. So 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 4 8. So these two are addendum. As you know that in addition the digits that add up in each other are called addendums, and the number that comes after adding up those digits is called sum. So here the sum is 8274. Addition of units 6 plus 8. What's given at the place of units? 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 units. 110 plus 1 shifts at the place of 10. So you write 110 and 4 here at the place of units. You write 4 units. 4 in the units column and put 1 to the tens column. Now addition of tens. 4 plus 2 plus 1. Here carry of this 4 comes at the tens place, so it counts in tens place. So 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7 tens. Addition of hundreds. 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 hundreds, but the one of this 2 means 12, but the one of this 2 shifts at the place of 1000. Okay, so you write 1000 because 12 of this one shifts at the place of 1000. So you write 1000 and 2 is also here at the 100 place. So you write 200. Okay, so 2 in the hundreds and put 1 to the thousands column. Now comes to the next, that is addition of thousands. In addition of thousand, this include already this one because this one shifts from this 2. Okay, because this is 12 and you have to write single digit here and put another digit on next place. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8000. Here the required sum is 8274. Okay, these are the changing questions, and in the exercise that we have done yesterday, the 2.2 are no changing questions. Move to the next. Here you see 3 steps. Number 1 is this is addition of 5-digit numbers. 5-digit number read as 10,000. So first of all we have to put it in vertical form. 14,769, 25,684, 34,887. Starting from here, first of all add up the digits that comes at the place of units. 9 plus 4, 13, plus 7, 20. Okay, so write 0 here and 2 of this 20 shifts up to tens place. So now first of all 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24. So write 4 here and 2 of this 24 shifts at the place of 100. Now 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So here 23, 3 comes at the place of 100, okay, and 2 shifts at the place of 1000 as a carry. Okay, now 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. So 5 here and one of these 5 shifts at the place of 10,000. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, and 4 plus 3, 7. So our required sum is 75,340. Now look at here, addition of units. So here 3 digits comes at the place of units. 9 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to 20 units, but 2 comes at the place, 2 shifts at the place of tens. So 2 tens plus 0 units. Addition of tens. This 2 also included in tens. So 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24 tens, but 2 comes at the place of 100, so you write 204 tens. Come to the next, addition of hundreds. This 2 from this 24, so 2, 7, 6, 8 is equal to 23, but 3 comes at the place of 100 and 2 shifts at the place of 1000, so you write 2000 here. Now next, addition of 1000. do 2 of this 3, so 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 15 units, but this one of this 5 shifts at the place of 10,000, so you write 1 10,000, 1 comes at the place of 10,000, so you write your 1 10,000 and 5,000. Now the last one, addition of 10,000. This one of this 5, so 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 7 10,000. Here the required sum is 75,340. These are changing question where carries are required and digits are transferred to other places. Now move to the next. Exercise 2.3. Hope you all done exercise 2.1 and 2.2. If you have any query regarding yesterday's teaching, you will ask me in the end after this lecture ends. Okay. Here few questions are solved for you. Number 3, starting from here again. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here. And one of this 10 shifts at the place of tens. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 here. And one of this 5 shifts at the place of 100. Sorry, this shifts at the place of tens and this shifts at the place of 100. 4 plus 7, 11, and plus 1, 12. So 2 here and one of these 2 shifts at the place of 1000. This is 4-digit addition. 10,000 is just because whenever 1000 shifts at the 10,000 place, so your answer is here 10,000, but our answer here ends still 1000. So no need of 10,000 here. So 5 plus 3, 8, and this carry plus 1 is equal to 9. So our required sum is 9,250. Another is number 6. Remaining all questions done by you in your books by using pencil. And please listen the lesson carefully. If you want to take a screenshot of these slides, you will take it. Okay. 9 plus 7. 16, 6 here and 1 shifts at the place of tens. 5 plus 1, 6 and 6 plus 6, 12. 2 here and 1 shifts at the place of 100. 6 plus 1, 7 and 7 plus 4, 11. 1 here and another one of this shifts at the place of 1000. 3 plus 1, 4 and plus 3, 7. So required sum is 7,126. Understand? Moving further, here you see 5 digits addition. Okay, here till 10, here till 1000, and here till 10,000. Here you see 5 digits. So here also 2 questions are solved for you. Remaining all questions done by you in your books by using pencil. Starting from here again, 6 plus 6, 12. So 2 here and one of these 2 shifts at the place of tens. 3 plus 6, 9, and this one 10, so 0 here and 1 shifts at the place of 100. 8 plus 0, 8 and 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 15, and this one 9 plus 7, 15. This carry is written by mistake. Okay, don't consider it. 9 plus 7, 15. So 5 here and 1 here. So 4 plus 2, 6 and plus 1, 7. Now move to the next, number 19, starting from the units. 4 plus 6, 10 and 9, 19. 9 here. 9 here and one of these 9 shifts at the place of tens. Okay. So, okay. Now look at this question. This mistake is correct now. Okay. So here 6 plus 4, 10 and 9, 19. 9 here and one of this 9 comes at the place of tens, shifts at the place of tens. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 3, 13 and plus 5, 18. 8 here and one of these 8 shifts at the place of 100. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 3, 13 and plus 1, 14. 4 here and 1 shifts at the place of 1000. 2 plus 1, 3, and plus 8, 11. 1 here and 1 shifts at the place of 10,000. 5 plus 1, 6, plus 3, 9, and plus 2, 11. So our required sum is this. This transfer shifts at the place of lakhs. Okay, this is 6-digit number now. Okay, lakh is not mentioned here, but this shifts till the place of lakhs. So 1 lakh 11,489. So hope you all understand this exercise. You will complete this exercise in your books by using pencil. Okay. Now moving to next, word problems. Look, also open your books, page number 20, and here look at your screens. Example number 1. In a city, there is no you know that whenever we solve word problems, we follow 5 steps. But this example is taken from your book, so here only one single solution is given. No other 4 steps are followed here, but this is just for example. Remaining all word problems, when you will do remaining all problems, you will follow 5 steps. Okay. In a city, there are 25,625 men, 30,500 women, and 40,475 children. Find the total population. They are asking for total population. It means you use addition. There are no other 4 steps are given. This question is solved in direct way, but when I show you in further slides, they will all solve in following 5 steps. So you will solve in that manner, not in this. This is just for your guidance and for your example. So number of men, 25,625. Number of women, 30,500. Number of children, 40,475. So starting from here, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 shifts at the place of tens. 2 plus 1, 3, and plus 7, 10. 0 here and 1 shifts at the place of 100. 6 plus 1, 7, plus 5, 12, and plus 4, 16. 6 here and 1 shifts at the place of 1000. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 here. And now in the last 10,000 place, 2 plus 3, 5, and 4, 9. So our sum for total population of the city is 96,600, including men, women, and children. Now, exercise 2.4, question number problem number 1 is solved here for you. Here you see I follow all the 5 steps, okay, given to find. And what are the 5 steps? When you solve these problems in your fair copy, you must follow these 5 steps. Number 1 is given, find, need operation, solution, and result. You must follow these 5 steps when you solve these word problems in your fair copy. Don't solve in this manner. This is just for example in your books, okay? You will solve problems in this manner. If you want to take a screenshot of these problems, you take it right now, okay? So here problem number 1 and problem number 5 I have done for you, following 5 steps. So here number 1 is 1,095 men and 978 women work in a factory. How many people work in the factory altogether? They said that 1,095 men and 978 women work in a factory. How many people work all together? They are asking about total number of men and women. Okay, so given, first of all, the first step is given. In given, you write that 1,095 men, because what's the given here? 1,095 men and 978 women. So 1,095 men and 978 women in a factory. First step completed. The next step is to find. So how many people, what to find here? How many people work in the factory altogether? Okay, altogether. These are the number of men and these are the number of women. Now, what's the question here? What they are asking? What to find? how many people work in the factory all together. It means you have to add up this. Okay, so need operation, third step is need operation. And obviously you know that here addition is required, so you write addition here. These all are the problems of addition. All the problems you use operation addition. Okay, so third step completed here. Moving further, if you want to take a screenshot of these slides, you take it right now. Okay. Now come to the fourth step, that is solution. First of all, you have to write number of men, that is 1095, and then you write number of women, that is 978. Starting from units, tens, hundred and thousand. So starting from this side, 5 plus 8, 13, 3 here, and one of these three shifts at the place of tens. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 7, 17. So 7 here, and one of these 7 shifts at the place of 100. So 1 and 9, 10, 0 here, and 1 shifts at the place of another 1 shifts at the place of here. So 1 plus 1, 2. So we write 2 here. Okay. Now the result is 2073 people work together in a factory all together. What's the number of total people work in the factory? 2073. Okay. So how many steps you followed in these problems? 5 steps. Number 1, given, to find, need operation, solution, and result. First of all, given is here. To find, what to find, you write what to find here. The need operation in all of these problems, exercise 2.4, the operation that is used is addition. Okay. Another step is solution. You write number of men and number of women, then you add up these. So the required total number of people is 2073 people work in the factory all together. You must have followed these 5 steps when you solve these problems in your fair copy. Okay, understand? Question number 5. Okay, in a city, 3050 babies were born in the year 1985. Students, please listen carefully. Okay, in a city, 3050 babies were born in the year 1985, and 3375 babies were born in the year 1986. In the year 1987, another 4248 babies were born. Means in 1985, 3050 babies were born. In 1986, 3375 babies born, and in 1987, 4248 babies were born. So what they are asking about, how many babies were born in 3 years. You have to add up these 3 years. Okay. First of all, the first step is given. So given is 3050 babies were born in year 1985. 3375 babies were born in the year 1986, and 4248 babies were born in the year 1986. This is the given. Okay. First step is completed here. Now, next step is to find. What to find here? How many babies were born in 3 years. So, you write how many babies were born in 3 years. Third step is need operation. You know that here which operation is used? Addition. So, you write addition here. In all of these problems, you used addition operation. Okay. Because this is chapter of addition. So what they are asking about, how many babies are born in 3 years. Now we add up these numbers of babies. Then we find what are the total number of babies that were born in 3 years. Okay. So the next step is solution. First of all, you write babies born in 1985, that are 3050. Another 1986, 3375. Then in 1987, 4000. 248. So starting from units, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 here, 1 here, 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 7, 12, 6 plus 7, and then 4, 17. So 7 here, and one of these 7 shifts at the place of 100. 1 plus 3, 4, and plus 2, 6. Nothing is shifts at the place of 1000 here. So 3 plus 3, 6, and plus 4, 10. So total number of babies born in 3 years were 10,673. What's the total number of babies are born in 3 years? 10,673 babies were born in the 3 years 1985, 1986, and 97. You add up these three numbers and you find that total number of babies were born in 3 years are 10,673. Remaining all word problems solved for by you in your fair copy by using pencil. If you want to take a screenshot of these slides, take it right now. You must follow these 5 steps whenever you solve word problems. These 5 steps are: number 1 is given. You must write given in your question. Okay. Then to find, read the question carefully, then understand what they are asking about. Okay. So you write find here, then need operation. You read the question carefully, then you find what operation you use, addition, subtraction, or whatever. But this is addition chapter, so in all problems you used operation addition. Then the next step is solution. You do solution and then result. Okay. If you have any misunderstanding, any confusion, any problem, you will ask me in chat box. Okay. Now I'm going to share home task. Listen it carefully. Do complete exercise 2.3 page 19 and 20. Okay. Addition of 4 and 5th digit numbers with changing. 2.3 page 19 and 20 with pencil in your book. 2.3 in your book by using pencil. And exercise 2.4, that are word problems. 2 of them are solved for you, done for you. If you want to take a screenshot of those slides, I will share it again after 2 minutes. Okay, you will take. Exercise 2.4, word problems. You must follow 5 steps that I taught you. You must follow 5 steps when you solve word problems. So, exercise 2.4, page number 21 in your fair copy. Understand? Clear? Exercise 2.2, page 2.3, page 19 and 20 in your book by using pencil. And exercise 2.4, word problems, page 21 in your fair copy. Okay, by using blue color and pencils. Okay, so today's teaching is end now. Our chapter number 2 addition is also completed today. If you face any difficulty in solving exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4, any confusion, any problem, you will ask me right now in chat box. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start our next chapter, that is length.